Hi everyone, in before video we seen how to sort the layers and how to order the layers in our scene window. Now in this video we'll see how to organize and grouping the assets in the hierarchy. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing organizing and grouping the assets in an hierarchy. You can see lot many more assets are there here, right? Everything was clumsy, not that much good. Just everything must be cleared. Just click F2 to rename, and this is background, right? Keep it as background. And this is grass, right? So every grass, this is one grass, this is two grass, so every grass should be in same hierarchy. So for that I want to create a first of all I want to create a empty object. Just rename it as grass. In that object everything must be child. So grass is the parent, and you can see this. So it's very easy to view. So you can find everything was shared. Just you can see the grouping. And now I'll create another, which is platform. Just empty object, create an empty object, name it as platform. Just name it as platform and drag this platform to here. You can see every platform, just drag and drop here. So this is the way of organizing sprites in game object. So you can find, I think these are all not child. So you can see the platform, the empty object is 0 0. You can see this is the empty object. Otherwise you can keep here. So in this empty object every uh, every sprite was there. So this is the empty object we created. So in that all having, this is the parent and we can call this and child. You can see it's an very clear. For coins also, just create empty and rename it as coins. Of course, just drag this coin and paste it here. Just drag and paste into coins. This is one. So you can see, now it's in structured and clear, very clear. And trees and other also. So keep name it as create empty, name it as others. That means others means background. What are the things? Other objects. So other objects. So you can see this moon, this tree, and this star, everything will be in one. So which is called as other objects. You can see the difference. Of course, the cloud also. So to maintain hierarchy, it's very important. You can see first is player and second one is tree, and tree also should be other objects. So player, grass, and you can see the grass. I think you can see the grass. So if you select, you can see here, just find, you can move all the grass at a time. So this is the way, and you can check the platform and you can move the platform at a time. So this is the way to organize the assets in hierarchy is very important. And you can see the coins. Of course I'll move the coins at one at a time. So this is the use of the things. And other objects, and I want to move the other objects, you can move the other objects. So I think it's very easy to create. Of course trees, trees also should be in other objects. So this you can see in before, it's a very, everything will be clumsy. Now it's very clear and well organized. So this is the way to organize the assets and grouping assets in a hierarchy. I think this video is very clear. I'll come with another video with introduction to scripting and how the scripts can be created and how we can add everything, will be come with another video. I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos. And do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything,